Alright, so I'm going to do an SWR test here with the ABRI 771, and as you can see, this radio goes directly to the SureCom and then directly to the ABRI AR 771. Okay, we're going to key it up here. 14.02 SWR with that. Now we'll try the Motorola. Alright, next is the Motorola UHF antenna. Alright, with GPS. We're going to key it up. 2.2. And we'll go back to the factory Baofeng antenna. Finally, we're back to the Baofeng antenna on the SureCom factory DM32 antenna. Key it up. 2.97 and less wattage out the antenna.